Every day on the factory floor, teams face the same challenges. Machines that stop without warning, energy consumption that's hard to track, data written down on paper, scattered across spreadsheets, difficult to read, and impossible to turn into action. All these small inefficiencies add up, slowing production and making fast, informed decisions almost impossible. The Xarinth Industrial AI Copilot platform changes that, turning raw factory data into clear insights and real actions. At the core of the platform is Xero, the conversational AI agent. Xero is your most intuitive way to interact with the Copilot. You can simply ask questions in natural language and get meaningful, actionable answers. It reads the data, understands the context, connects information to your KPIs, and turns it into insights that drive decisions. Xero notifies you about anomalies, suggests next steps, generates reports, and even creates maintenance plans, so the right information always reaches you, exactly when you need it. Xero is powered by data collected through the Manufacturing Intelligence apps, the modular tools that make the platform complete and ready to use. Energy monitoring allows you to track and reduce energy consumption, identifying waste and inefficiencies before they become costly. Production Insights enables you to monitor machine status, alarms, maintenance activities, and productivity in real time. Work Order Management lets you monitor working order times, costs, materials, and order tracking, reducing errors and simplifying every step of production. The platform connects seamlessly with your ERP or MES, giving you one centralized view of all your factory data, clear, synchronized, and ready for action. Reduce waste and inefficiencies. Increase productivity. Make smarter, faster decisions. Xarinth Industrial AI Copilot Platform. Intelligence that turns factory data into real decisions and tangible results.